In lots of the previous videos about the next generation science standards and the upcoming Minnesota science standards change, you've heard the word and the concept of phenomenon or phenomena mentioned. In the next part of your tasks for Module 2, I have a video, this video linked. That's a great explanation also of phenomena, so I encourage you to watch that. But essentially, phenomenon is the singular version, with phenomena, the plural version, is a fact or a situation that's observed to exist or happen, especially one whose cause or explanation is in question. So in terms of science, what does that mean? Because there's phenomenon has different meanings in different contexts, and so we need to be sure that we're understanding it within the scientific context. It's essentially something that is observed to occur or to exist. Hence the reason why I've really been encouraging and making sure that you are embedding observations and questioning into your instruction. That's why we've been doing the outdoor observation notebook. We'll be building on that as our semester is going. So phenomenon in a scientific concept is something that is observed to occur or to exist. So what exactly does that mean? What's an example of a scientific phenomenon? If something can be observed through the senses, including seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, and touching, it's a scientific phenomenon. The reason that this is an example of a scientific phenomenon is that there is evidence that tells you it is true. So there's an example there that tornadoes are another scientific phenomenon. And the video that you're going to watch next highlights other ones to help you understand exactly what it is and what it might not be.